How can you start dropshipping? Good question. Firstly, before you do anything, I'd actually recommend prepping your mindset, because to actually succeed in ecom, it takes a very strong will. This book and this book is what helped me build that up. So if you have time, I'd recommend reading those. Now, the first step obviously is to find an actual product. What we're looking for here is something that solves a problem for a wide audience, or something that's on trend if you're looking for short-term gains. And there's many ways we can do this. We can just scroll through AliExpress and go with our gut. We could utilize an ad spy service. The ones I like to use are Drop Point or Drop Trends. We could type something generic into Facebook like 50% off and filter by videos posted in the last month. That'll give you the video ads for recently posted products. And from there, you just take a look at the videos that have the most engagement, and that might give you an idea of a product to test. Or you could just scroll the TikTok For You page. You're bound to find a product that could give you inspiration. Like this one, this one, this one, this one, or this one. All of those are dropshippers. Or you could even go on TikTok and search for hashtag top Amazon finds or hashtag TikTok made me buy it. And from there, you'll find a shit ton of videos of random products. And if you see one that got millions of likes, millions of views, there's something for you to test right there. And that's just some product research methods. Get creative with it, be consistent, and you're bound to find something that's worthy of testing. From there, you got to build a store. For that, I definitely recommend Shopify. When it comes to building the site itself, there are endless video tutorials on how to do that, both on YouTube and on Shopify itself. From there, you'd want to find your product on AliExpress and send that link to a sourcing agency. To start off, I just like to use CJ Dropshipping. That way, at the start, you can get better shipping times for your product and sometimes cheaper prices too. Then you'd install the CJ Dropshipping app to your Shopify store, then go to Products, Connection, and link the product on your store to the product on CJ. They've got videos on how you can do that too, or you could even contact one of their agents and they'll help you set that up. From there, order a sample of the product to your house, and once you've got it, start filming a bunch of content with the product. The type of content you film will depend on the advertising platform you plan to use, and if you're just starting out, I'd recommend TikTok. So create a TikTok account for your store, take a look at other dropshipping accounts, for example this one, and just take a look at their content. Shit ton of views, really simple videos. Notice patterns and formats that work for other accounts and see how you can implement that type of content to your product. From there, just start posting these videos 3 to 5 times a day. Slowly build your following, learn from each post, and eventually sales will start to come in. Once you get more experience, I definitely recommend you go out and learn TikTok ads and Facebook ads too, as well as email marketing and maybe Google ads. That way you'll be able to scale a lot further than TikTok. From there, man, just keep learning, be consistent, try it for a couple of products, and eventually you will get the hang of it. I hope this helped. You got any more questions, comment below. And follow for more tips just like this.